Good day, madam. According to the assignment given by madam, we chose factory industry. Factory manufacturing of goods done by workers by operating machines. In the beginning of factory, the use of water power and steam engine to mechanize process in England, and in later period, modern factories use large warehouses and facilities with heavy equipment and are switched from rural areas to town. And mainly the factories located at water power and transportation such as roads or railways, and this causes environmental problems. And we're going to look at environmental and pollution issues caused by factories. The first issue is global warming. Global warming is a gradual increase in temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, and this results in greenhouse effect. This global warming is caused by toxic materials, and this results in melting glaciers, droughts and water shortage, and also snow melt. Second issue is air pollution. Air pollution is toxic gases released into air mixes with automobiles on the road, and this results in haze, smoke, increase in temperature, and production of mold and pollen. This is caused by excessive burn of fossil fuels, mercury, benzene, dioxin, and release of chemical gas into the environment. Next is water pollution. The water pollution caused by illegal dumping garbage, dirt, scrap, metal, trash oils, chemical solvents, wheatgrass, and also wood. And this result in effect in quality of water, damages aquatic life, food chain disruption, destruction of ecosystem. Next, we are going into soil pollution. Soil pollution occurs due to disposal of untreated industrial waste with high toxic contaminants. The soil pollution results in soil layer strength effect, reduction of soil fertility, ecological imbalance, and this causes also algae formation. Finally, the destruction of wildlife. This occurs when the wildlife lost their habitat. Also, this occurs because of the elimination or alteration of the condition that necessary for the animals and also plants. This caused by clearing of land or cutting down woods for manufacturing, and the destruction of wildlife results in excess carbon dioxide gas in atmosphere, increase in temperature, animal extinction, and also erosion of soil.
So in terms of the corrective measures, the government should also take part to reduce the environment pollution by doing pollution assessment, pollution control regulatory functions. They can do laying down standards for effluent and emissions, research and development including setting up of the demonstration plants, environment awareness program. They can do advisory role and establishment laboratories. So there is some device to control the pollution. For example, the first one is dust collection system. So basically the system is to collect the dust, and it can be found in backhouses, cyclones, electrostatic precipitators. In terms of scrubber, there are few of them. For example, baffle spray scrubber, cyclonic spray scrubber, ejector venturi scrubber, spray tower wet scrubber, and more on. They can also conduct sewage treatment. For example, sedimentation, it is the primary treatment, and for the secondary treatment is activated slug biotreaters, aerated lagoons, constructed wetlands, also used for urban runoff. The industrial wastewater treatment is like, for example, biofilters, ultrafiltration, powdered activated carbon treatment, and more on. The most important control measure is the follow the no smoking sign, never use open fires to dispose of waste. The industries should use fuel with lower sulfur content, which is very less harm to the environment, and industries should monitor their air emissions regularly and take measures to ensure compliance with the prescribed emission standards. The industries should strictly follow government regulations on pollution control. Take very good care of your pets and their waste, and do not cause loud noises and unwanted sounds to avoid noise pollution. Have a proper waste disposal system, especially for toxic wastes, so that everybody can be safe. Always remember to follow this important 3R, which is recycling, reusing, and reducing. For the effective control measure, the industry should follow the hierarchy of control, which is elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and PPE. There is some environmental management program to ensure sustainable development in the surrounding area of a factory site. The first one is air pollution management. Many factory managers and company owners focus on reducing air pollution because they are aware of the potential negative impact it may have. The two most common ways companies can reduce their air pollution emissions are optimizing the factory's operation and destroying pollutants before they enter the atmosphere. And the second one is noise and vibration control. The noise level monitoring will be carried out in the area. Presently, the noise levels are well below 50 decibel, and it is expected that the increase over the baseline levels after the commencement of factory activity but will be within 90 decibel. The third one is solid and liquid waste management. Like hazardous and chemical substances shall be stored on site only under controlled condition. For example, petrochemicals, oil, and etc. All hazardous materials or substances shall be stored in a secured, appointed area that is fenced and has restricted entry. All storage shall take place using suitable containers as approved by the on-site environmental advisor. No storage of hazardous materials shall be allowed within 100 meter of stream or watercourses unless site does not allow this.
Okay, I'm going to conclude this presentation by saying that we know factories contributes a major part in economic development, but at the same time, they result in high pollution and large amount of industrial waste. So, to change this condition and also for a better environment in future, appropriate actions should be taken by authorities. That's all from us. Thank you. Let's build a better environment together for future.
Okay guys, let's watch a video regarding the environmental pollution.
Huh? Oh. 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 Oh no. What have I done? No, no, no! Huh? No, no! I could never! But, I have to!
Thank you for watching.